everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete a YouTube channel. So to delete the YouTube channel, you can just use many ways. Here I'll just choose Safari to delete my YouTube account or my YouTube channel. And if you are using Android device, you can just go ahead and open up any web browser and search for youtube.com and make sure that you are signed into a YouTube account. And here on the top left corner, you can see the menu bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on settings. Now here it will show your YouTube account. Go ahead and tap on advanced setting, and here what you can do is click on YouTube channel. Now in order to continue, you have to verify that it's you, so go ahead and type down your password and tap on next. You'll be brought up with the process of deleting your YouTube account and follow up with the process and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.